Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Can I have your attention, please? Good evening. Wherever you're watching me from, I'll be talking about insecurity, how to conquer insecurity in a country. Today, I'm going to emphasize on Nigerian insecurity. I'm sorry if you don't have data to watch me to the end of this video. You probably may not understand what I'm talking about. If you are one of those that have been watching my video for quite some time, you are going to understand that I always emphasize on database system. Everybody needs to be recorded. And in any country that you want to actually conquer insecurity, what you got to do first is you want to identify every citizen. Every citizen must be identified into the database system. I'm telling you this because the Nigerian elites are wasting your time. All of you are waiting for Nigeria, they waste your time. They are wasting your time in Nigeria. Your president is wasting your time. Your lawmakers is wasting your time. All the three arms of government are wasting your times in Nigeria. In any underdeveloped country and developed country, I'm going to give you a few things that can conquer insecurity. Number one is database system, where everybody can be recorded. If you commit crime, your fingerprint can be traced. Your fingerprint can be traced if you commit crime. That's number one. Every citizen and non-citizen will be recorded into a database system. 1. 2. Electricity. If you don't have electricity, consistent 24 hours electricity in any country, you are unlikely to conquer the insecurity. Listen to me and listen again. Electricity. Because electricity goes hand in hand with CCTV camera. Every developed country have what they call CCTV camera. Every business, the government itself will mount CCTV camera on every street. And there must be a consistent 24 hours electricity. Oh, you see the people, the white people you see in Europe, not be said they are not different from you. The reason why they are not committing crime is because they know the system is very powerful. The system don't joke with crime. Look at this shop. Look at this shop beside me. There's a camera here. If as I dey here now, if they come tomorrow, come check, they go see say somebody dey here. If I break into this shop, even if I go behind the camera, one camera is facing me here, the other camera is facing like this, the other camera is facing like this. The reason for those cameras to be is that is there. Even if I manage to block all this camera and commit crime, by the time I'm going inside, there's another camera that is going to capture me. So if before I go to burglar this shop, I must think twice. Like, I don't want to be in problem. At least you are going to come. There's no country in the world that can actually beat their chest and tell you that they conquer crime 100%. But at least to the max. Without electricity, the camera is useless. Without electricity, the camera is useless. So in any country that actually wants to conquer insecurity, First of all, like I said, database system where everybody is going to be counted. Every citizen is going to be recognized under the database system. If you carry that your ID card, you carry them, one go work. Let me give you an example. You are born in Lagos or Abuja, and you travel to the eastern part of Nigeria to find a job. Every office that want to employ you must have an access to the database system to check who is this guy. Has this guy committed crime before in his life? In any country that the system is working like that, I will be afraid to commit a crime. At least, if you put these things in place, you are going to conquer insecurity 90%. Do you feel me? The whole of this country is mounted by CCTV camera by an individuals. Your house, your offices. Apart from that, the government also have CC camera mounted everywhere. They don't mount those cameras for fun. It costs them a lot of money to mount those cameras there. Why do they mount those cameras there? To put fear in you to commit crime. As I walk down this street, if something happened in this shop tomorrow, they don't need to knock on my door. They know I'm standing here. If something happened in this shop tomorrow, that somebody break into this shop, can I tell you something? In my house, can I tell you something? Yeah, I remind. In my house, somebody break into my house, into our compound to steal bicycle. Listen now. Somebody break into our compound to steal bicycle when we were asleep during the week many months ago. How do they trace that person? Camera. In my street, that small street where they stay, so the camera where they reach like more than 20. The person has tattoo. They saw the face of that person. That person is held into ransom. They don't arrest them. You see, they waste una time for Nigeria. I said that they waste una time. All of una, they waste our time. Those people where they are wasting our time. You see, any country where actually any country that have their citizen at heart, the life of citizen is important. It only costs you few things. Where we say you go take one, insecurity. People need insecurity like never before. Medical, hospital, very, very important. Good road, electricity. If those things are put in place, people are going to excel. They say road is not built. They say Rome is not built in a day. I'm sorry guys, I'm being distracted by this police here. Sometimes I feel pain about Nigeria. Seriously, I feel pain about Nigeria. Many of you may not understand me. All those things what they do for Nigeria, they are just wasting your time. They waste all of una time. And they tell you that they waste una time. If as soon as they watch me, they talk every time. If I talk, they write the date where they talk this thing. Say they waste una. You get one guy where they for social media where be idiot. When no service speak English. We talk say in the Israel. He talk say Nigeria no go better. Not be say they swear for Nigeria, but the people that are in Nigeria, not be say they don't know what they're supposed to do. I'm telling you this just for you to know that those that are there are just there to waste your time. They go waste your time until you reach 60 years, 70 years old, you die, you go. Their children will take over. Those that they are mentoring will still take over. Everything will just go same thing. And as soon as they suffer so, now so they sweet Oyibo people where they make una resources. Because if you know Mumu, Oyibo no go feed the milk your resources. It is okay for the Oyibo as una the Mumu so. They go to drip una resources. They go to use una elites. They make una resources. They go to tell you Nigeria is going to be okay. Oh, don't worry, everything is going to be all right. Oh, make una they pray to Jesus. Pray to God, everything going to be all right. Una pastors, all of them na Mumu. With no apology, all the pastors waiting for Nigeria, all of una be Mumu. Can Christian Association of Nigeria and Mugu. Under your nose. Christians are killed. How many Christians they kill? How many bishops they kill for that country? Una know they talk anything. Una go say God give it, God take it. All of una, none of una go heaven. No. If for say it's something where we say I go dead there like this, they go to judge all of una. I go tell you say I not tell you. So I don't want to talk. I don't want Nigerian government. Let me be on my lane. God is going to take over. God ain't taking not over anything. The Jesus alike that you represent as a pastor, he died for the people. Jesus will die for you. You too, you are supposed to die for the citizens. You are supposed to die for your church members. That's the truth. The problem we will get today, now all those who are church, now they cause them. They kill you now. The churches, they are not saying anything. America, talk say not be, they know they kill Christian for Nigeria. Is that true? Make I tell you now, they are just wasting your time. Increasing salary. Make I tell you now something we don't know. Sometimes I come here, come talk and say, may they increase salary. Not true. If the salary is increased and the structure is not in a good position, your money no go work anything for you. If they like, maybe they give the lowest rank for Nigerian for government workers, maybe they give them 200,000. Those teachers, maybe they give every teacher at least 200,000 every month. The country will still remain the same thing. I've told you guys why these people, when they see so, they don't get money, but the money, they recycle the money. The money they recycle. Every month, every citizen, if you collect your salary like this, you go buy, you go pay, all the money go recycle. Anything where you they sell, them they know they think about tomorrow. They know tomorrow is bright. They are prepared for tomorrow. Tomorrow is already preparing himself. They are not saving money to buy land. They are not saving money to buy car. They are enjoying their life to the max. And they know tomorrow the government have put structure that is going to take care of them tomorrow. That is why you see them when your Oyibo will tell you, say, today is 25. Do you think I should have money on 25th? I'm going to have money at the end of the month. If he get money at the end of the month, he's going to pay for his life insurance. If he pay for his life insurance, he go pay for the car. He go pay for the house. He go take care of himself. He go eat. The money don't finish. Their mentality is not like you. Where we say you they save money. The money in Nigeria is not moving around. Here, anything where you say the money move around, you are going to make money. Because at the end of the month, the person is not thinking about tomorrow. Say, if I sick tomorrow, I want to save money in case if I sick. No. Everything is already in place. Their motor not they damage anyhow because they have a good road. Any motor where they buy new, you go take that motor 2 years before that motor go get problem. So what you can't think? If headache they worry his wife or they worry his children, all he need is just a phone call. 1000, 1010, 1110 for Israel. You go call him. You go hear one. They go reach your house. 5 minutes. They will take your daughter or anybody that is sick to the hospital without demanding for kobo. What about that? I've said it before. The reason why money is not recycling in Nigeria is because everybody wants to buy car. You want to save money to buy car. You want to save money to go to hospital. You want to save money to pay your child school fees. You want to save money to buy land. You want to save money to build your house. Which kind of life una think say una come? You graduate at 30 years in Nigeria or 27 years. You graduate. If you're lucky to graduate at 30, you begin to work. Which time you won't enjoy the life? Some people go work 10, 15 years. If you don't borrow money to buy car, you don't go get feedback. You can't save. The money is not easy to save. Here, you graduate at 23, 24. The moment you start working, you buy a new car. You buy a new house. They go there remit that money from your salary. That's all. Nothing else. They will be remitting the money from your salary. At your young age, you don't enjoy anything where life gets. You know they buy Tokumbo TV. You know they buy Tokumbo shoe. You know they buy Tokumbo clothes. Everything brand new. That is life. Do you know when I bought my first Yeye car for South Africa? I was 30 something. We don't have a life in Nigeria. I'm telling you guys, listen, I don't have hate for anybody, but the truth be told, as that country as it is so, you will start from the scratch. First of all, identify who are the citizens of that country. How many are we in this country? We don't need census. All we need is a system where everybody is going to be recognized as a citizen, a fingerprint, and a good constitution that is going to guide each and every one. You guess what? They are not going to do it. They can't do it. Now so the mumu man wait there for presidency, so now so you go the mumu 4 years go pass. When I go say, Tinubu no do well, oh, we talk it. Some people go say, they try, don't worry, let's wait for another 4 years. Tinubu is going to do well. I've been saying this for the past 3 years. I say, if we not kill those people where they in power, I doubt it. It no go better for Nigeria. No be say I swear. I didn't say make it no better for Nigeria. There's difference between what I'm saying and to say no go better. I didn't say so. But what I'm trying to say here is that it will never work. Una no get database. Make una ask them for America. They no get database. Ask them for UK where all of them they go for medical checkup. They no get database. Ask them for Europe where all of them go get buy house. Everybody is in the system. Whether you are a foreigner or not, everybody, they know how many people that are in the country. They know how many children were they born yesterday in the system. Take it or leave it. That is the fact. The fact remains that Nigeria is not going to work. And they don't want it to work. Let my people go. They no go let our people go. God, I'm sorry. That country where una dey see so. Now so as una dey run comot, now so una dey born children, our children they grow. I be me where I run comot. You think say I don't escape the problem? The only people where they escape the problem are those who never marry, when no born pikin for Nigeria before they come out. If you don't get pikin for Nigeria, you never escape them. If your mama still in Nigeria, you never escape them. If your uncle still in Nigeria, you never escape them. That's the fact. You say Tinubu. When everybody say, Tinubu, let's see what Tinubu is going to say. Baba, if not somebody will really want to fix the country, so now insecurity now the first thing. All those, all those things they are doing is nothing. Make we count how many people. Why are they talk like one Nigeria? Me self, I they talk like say I be one Nigeria self. Now after when I don't talk finish, now I come they look say, why am I speaking like one Nigeria? I'm not a one Nigerianist, but I'm just trying to give you the facts, the truth. That those people who are the see so they don't have you at heart. It doesn't work like that. If not that insecurity, now Tinubu go come fix. Let us start. Oh, sorry, Tinubu no go work. I'm sorry. Islamization is real. All of you are already Muslim in Nigeria. All of you are Muslim for Nigeria. You remember all of you are the knock head for ground. That's the fact. Good night, everybody. Everybody we want to run go abroad. Hey, I want to run go abroad. You think say they get money abroad? They don't get money, but the structure is making them look relevant. People will come to beg you for money. Everything day in place. If you get your small salary, you pay for everything where you want. You get future. I beg, make we leave all this thing. That country will not work. I said it all the time, and I will not stop saying it. It's not going to work. But my pain be say, I know they hear anybody talk about this database system. I've been talking about database system, but no presidential candidate ever talk about database. Anytime I also, you never reach there, you never ready. Because now there they go first start. People are coming from Niger. Those that are not Nigerian, they are entering from other countries, from Futajalon. All of them, they are entering from the desert and they claim to be a Nigerian. Anybody can claim to be a Nigerian. It doesn't work like that. You have to start knowing how many people you have. Everybody have to be in the system. If anybody come from somewhere and say, I'm a Nigerian, you have to be questioned where, when.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.